This is a position replication and changeover tool. It is designed to interactively guide an operator to accurately replicate optimal settings of a single or multiple machines. The tool also monitors completeness of the adjustment procedure. No adjustment point can be skipped or missed. The changeover tool consists of two components. The first component is the controller, and the second component is a wireless sensor. The wireless sensor has an operating distance of 300 feet from the controller. The changeover sensor, in a nutshell, is a glorified measuring tape. On the side, we have an off-on button and a power indicator. On the top, we have 3 lights that are sufficient enough to guide an operator to complete a successful changeover operation. The yellow light indicates decreased distance, the red light indicates increased distance, and the green light indicates a successful completion of a changeover adjustment. Prior to a machine changeover, the changeover sensor must be calibrated. The first step in the process is to power on the changeover sensor. The second is to extend the cable to the preset distance. After roughly 5 seconds, you will receive a message on the screen indicating that calibration has been complete. As a very first step, the operator has to enter the product number for which the machine is going to be adjusted to. Let's assume that we are adjusting to product number 1. This demonstration will be shown on a typical packaging machine subassembly, and we will be demonstrating the adjustment of 3 different settings, axes X, Y, and Z. We start out the process by placing the changeover sensor at bracket location number 3. This means that you do not need to start in any particular order to complete the changeover process successfully. When the red light is lit, it means that the distance of the cable is too short. When the yellow light is lit, it means the distance of the cable is too long. When it is in position, when the distance of the cable is correct, both lights are lit. And in 3 seconds, the green light will start flashing, indicating that this particular location has been successfully adjusted. After completing bracket location number 3, we will move on to bracket location number 2. I will pull the cable and hook it to the pin. To demonstrate how an operator is guided by the lights on top of the sensor, I will be intentionally overshooting the target position. The red light is lit, indicating to an operator that he must increase the distance of the cable. Now the yellow light is lit, indicating to an operator that he must decrease the distance of the cable. When the yellow light is flashing, it indicates to an operator to slow his adjustment. Now both LEDs are lit, indicating to an operator that he has reached the target position. And now the green light is flashing, indicating to an operator that he has successfully completed this bracket location. Now we move on to our final bracket location number 1. We pull a string and hook it. Now if we want to change the reference point to this, for example, you simply go to the computer and enter in the blue box set current position as a new reference point, enter password below. We will enter 1, 2, 3, 4 for this presentation. And click the button and click yes. Now this point has been saved as a new reference point, and the green light is now fully lit, signifying that all changeover locations have been successfully adjusted. When the green light is fully lit, the computer automatically makes a backup file on an SD card with a date and time stamp. This concludes our presentation.